Hey guys, welcome back to Coda's Arcade. This is Ashank David, and in this video, we are going to talk about linear search algorithm. Now, before I start with this video, I would like to tell you about that we are going to start this new playlist on data structures algorithms. So, if you are new to this channel, let me just explain you that we have done DSA live sessions before. So those people who have not watched my DSA live sessions, I would give the link of those videos in the description below. They are already recorded and they are already kept. And if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and watch that. In those live sessions, in those DSA live sessions, I have not done uh, many of the algorithms. In between, I have left the algorithms as we already know. So in this playlist specifically, I will be talking about them, and I'll be covering a lot of algorithms that are generally asked in placement. So if you remember, I had the DSA for placement live series that was all for free, and every day 2 hours I was coming live. So in this series, I'm gonna explain all about all the algorithms, and let's start. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future update, guys. Now let's get right into the topic. So here we are going to talk about linear search, guys, the very first algorithm of this playlist, and we are going to focus on to this. So what exactly is linear search algorithm? First of all, linear search algorithm is a very basic algorithm and a very easy algorithm to understand and to start with when you're talking about data structures algorithms. These algorithms are really easy one, and this one linear search is one of the first starting algorithms that we are talking about. So this is very easy. So what exactly is linear search? First of all, if I want to explain you about what is linear search, see, linear search is like I have an array right here, and in this array, now I want to search for a particular element. Say, for example, I want to search for this 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm going to start from the very first item. So we already know that indexes always starts from 0 in any of the arrays, right? So generally in programming, so this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second, third, fourth, and this is fifth index. So I will generally start from the beginning, and I'll check if the current element which I'm right now onto is 4 or not. Say, for example, I want to search for a variable 4, and if that variable is not there, it will be not, it will not be searched. So I'll start from the beginning, and I'll check for this number is 4 or not. So if this number is not 4, I'll check another one. So is this number 4? No. Then I'll check another one. This is number 4. No. Is this number 4? Yes, it is. So we found this number 4, and I can just return this index, or I can return that it is on the third index is the answer, guys. So this is what you call as linear search. And if at the end, if you reach, and if at the end, if you reach and you don't get the element which you are searching for, then it will just come out and it will print that element not searched. So this is linear search. Basically, linear search is searching the element linearly, one by one, and this is the linear search algorithm, guys. So I hope so that you have understood about this clearly. Now I have already written code here to explain you, so let us talk about that right now. So, all right, guys. So here we have the program, and you can see that in the program, this is written in C++. As we know, we were doing data structures and algorithms in C++. So we are gonna see the code in C++ also. In this case, we see that we have a program in C++ where I have my main function. In the main function, I've taken up a variable, and I have taken up the size of the array in that variable. Then I have asked the user to enter all the elements in an array, and this is that array, and one by one I'm gonna iterate over that array, and I'm gonna take all the input into that array. Later on, I have defined a key variable where I will be asking the user which element you want to search, and that element will go into the key variable. Now later on, I have created this function called as linear search function, which will be doing the job of searching the element linearly. So in this case, I have called that linear search algorithm linear search function at the last. Now I've passed that array which we have taken in the input into the size of that array and the key that needs to be searched. Then once the values go up there, now I have just started iterating on this array by just creating a for loop, and I have just checked if the ARR of I, so when I is 0, ARR of 0 is equals to key or not. As I told you, first element is found or not. If it is found, then return that index. Otherwise, you will return -1 from that function. And yeah, uh, that if -1 comes, then that the element you are searching is not searched, like that. I hope so that this is very much clear. This is the very first program, guys, and this will happen again and again in this iteration, and this way we will search for all the elements. So if the element is found, it will return the element is on index, and that index will be returned, that I will be returned, and otherwise it will return -1. All right, guys, so yeah, this is the first algorithm that you should know about. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ashank David signing off. I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future update. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.